Now let's start our next example. Whenever you see any diagram, observe what are the important points and what are the circles. Now, if you see this, we have two circles here at this point. One of the circle having radius 30 and another circle having diameter 20, and both the circles are concentric. Okay, now we have one more arc actually, okay, of 15 radius, and here at this point, okay, here two semicircle is there. Two semicircles are there. One of the semicircle radius is 15 and another indirectly the diameter is given. This is 12. So obviously the semicircle diameter, this small semicircle diameter will be 12. Okay, let us draw those, then we will trim it later. First circle, these two circle. Radius is 30. Again go to circle, concentric circle. Diameter is 20. So go to diameter, press 20, enter. Okay, now you can see here we have one more arc here, arc of 15 radius. So the vertical distance is 40. Okay, the vertical distance is 40. But what is the horizontal distance of this arc center? It is 90 from this particular center. Okay, so let us plot this point first. Okay, let us plot that. How to plot? First draw a horizontal line of 85 length and then a vertical line of 40 length. Now why 40 and sorry, this is 4 has been taken, it should be 40. Go to line, it will be 40. Why 40? Because this one right here is 40. From this center to this center, the vertical distance is 40 and the horizontal distance from this center to this center is 85. So this is 85 and this is 40. Go to circle. See, diameter is 12. Go to diameter, diameter is 12. Okay, one more circle. Radius is 15. So this is done. Now we have one more circle here of radius 15. How to do that? Like this. In this direction, it will be 90. Yes. So this will be the point. This will be the point where we will put this particular circle. So draw that circle of radius 15. I hope this is clear. Now we will draw a horizontal line from this quadrant to this quadrant. Okay. Also, we will draw one more line tangent to this and tangent to this. So how to take tangent? Directly press 10, enter. So tangent to this circle and again tangent to this circle. Okay. So again press TAN, 10, enter, so that I can pick the tangent. Yes. So this is how it will be. Now see, here we have an arc of 50 radius. So go to fillet. Go to fillet. Take the radius as 50. Select this and this. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now the only thing which is remaining, delete this. There is of no use now, and trim. Double enter. Okay, so you can trim this You can trim this, okay, trim this, and delete this line. So this is how it will be. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, now trim this as well. Okay, now one thing is remaining, this horizontal lines. To draw this horizontal line, what is the distance? Is it given? I think yes, it is given as 40. It is 40 in this direction, 40. One more line, 40, like that. Now you can copy this circle command. Copy this circle to this side as well. How much the distance should be? 40 again. So 40. Now you can trim it. Trim this one, trim this one. So this is how it will look. Okay, this is done and dusted. But only this center lines, these lines are remaining. So how to draw that? Draw a line here. Pick the center. Draw a line above. Draw a line below. Draw a line to the right. Draw a line to the left. Like this. Okay, you can trim it, this extra part, like this. We have some other command as well to do this. I will explain it in the dim command. Okay, yes, you can draw like this as well. You can make it center line. First join it, J. Okay, now go to LT, line type, load, pick this dash lines, and also load, pick this center line. Okay, as of now, go to properties. Okay, select this line, and select this line. Go to line type, pick center. Okay, now you might not be able to see this, so change the line type scale 0.5, or you can do 0.1 as well. Okay, so that it will at least look like center line. You have to change the line type and line type scale. Okay, and also select this line, and it should be dash. So this one. Okay, you can also change the line type scale 0.5, not like that, 0.2 will be better. Yes, so this is it. So you can see it will look something like this. Okay, dimension, you can dimension it as well, so that we will see later.